Hey everybody, I'm attorney Kyle Kaufman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video today, I am going to talk to you about maintenance or spousal support. It's known some places, some states call it alimony. I'm in Wisconsin, we call it maintenance. Before I do that, if you like our channel, please subscribe, like it, and leave some comment. So in this video, let's talk about maintenance. This is when one spouse pays another spouse. This can be determined at the time the parties are being divorced, and it's something that can also be reconsidered or reconfigured, lowered, eliminated, terminated, or raised after divorce. So in going into this, some really key components you need to understand about maintenance are this. In Wisconsin, we look at what are the needs of the parties. That's the support objective, right? Like what amount of money is needed for both parties to live separately in separate homes on a standard of living that's similar to that of the marriage. And then what's fair? What's fair given the context of the entire marriage? The disparity of income, the length of the marriage are two common things that courts look at. They're going to look at your health concerns, mental health, physical health, your education level, your time in the workforce or not, the contributions you made to your family, okay? So when it's being said at the time of the divorce, what you want to focus on is what's the amount, if any, how long will you pay it, and try to define that as best you can and come up with an agreement with your soon-to-be ex-spouse, okay? And you want to give yourself some certainty, both if you're the person receiving it and the person paying it, okay? If you can't figure it out, a court will determine it for you. Now, there are some situations where parties either did not agree how it would end or when it would end, or if it ever would be lowered. And there are some situations where a court makes an order too requiring a person to pay the support, and it's for an indefinite period of time. So in those situations like that, parties will come back after divorce and try to review the maintenance order to have it changed, either increased, decreased, maybe the term is shortened up, or maybe it's terminated altogether, okay? And when you're doing that and you're coming back to reconsider it, what you have to factor in is what was the situation at the time it was originally set and what is the situation now. So that's that was then, this is now, what significant financial changes have occurred in that time. And then again, if you've met that, show what the support objective is, what the needs of the parties are, what's fair given the context of this union, former union, and then consider standard of living. What's the standard of living of the parties now, okay, when you're reviewing it compared to what it was when it was originally set? That's an important thing to understand because one of the goals of maintenance is to get both parties at a standard of living that is similar to what they enjoyed during the marriage. So guys, if you're in a situation, and women in a situation where you're talking about maintenance, spousal support, or alimony, please have a conversation with an attorney in your state before you enter into any agreements or orders on those matters. We'd love to talk to you. Thank you for watching this video.